Hey y'all, hope all is well. In the big van again. It's raining outside, but I decided to make a little bit of progress on this cross members for the roof. I'm gonna make one more at the back, and then I will connect them all together so they're stable. I still need to figure out this, whether I can take the face off and make a spacer for it, or if I'm gonna have to move this one back a few inches and then have a slant up there to it so it'll blow the air down instead of just being blocked by the ceiling. I'm pretty sure I could probably make a spacer for that and just put the cover on after the ceiling goes up, but haven't done that before, so I don't know yet. I'll have to look into that. But that's what I'm up to today, just making some more cross members for the roof so I have things to screw things to, like a ceiling board and walls and such. Anyway, just quick short, that's what I'm up to. Hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.